and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making an authentic tzatziki sauce. You want to try this tzatziki sauce on gyros, pitas, and fafalas. For our ingredients, we have Greek yogurt, garlic cloves. You want to finely mince those. We have olive oil, sea salt, freshly squeezed lemon juice, English cucumbers, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill mince. In a medium bowl, we have our Greek yogurt. Next, we're going to add our fresh dill. We're going to mix that up. And here we're going to add in our garlic, our salt, and we're just going to mix that up. And here we're adding in our olive oil, and we're going to mix that up really well. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add our freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we're going to mix that up. And now we're adding in our cucumber. And what you want to do, you want to grate your cucumber with a grater. And then you want to squeeze out the excess liquid. And after you do that, you want to add it to your sauce. And we're just going to mix that in. Now you can add as little or as much ingredients as you prefer. And here we're going to start to combine. You want to cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Today we made some tzatziki sauce for our gyros that we have coming up next. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.